Okay. Oh my god, good morning. It's still morning. It's 10:54 a.m. and I can't believe I'm awake at this early. I'm currently in Alabang right now in Malito area. I'm gonna be meeting up with a friend. We haven't seen each other for like over a year and a half or 2 years. I'm not really sure. But yeah, today is the day we both had time to, like meet up and catch up. I didn't think I would be here early actually because I decided to leave at least an hour and 30 minutes earlier, but I woke up later than I thought. But the trip here was like less than 30 minutes, which was good. So I think we're gonna grab coffee, probably like breakfast or brunch. And yeah, today's actually gonna be a busy day, but mostly like socializing wise, because after this I'm gonna have to pick up my sister just to grab something in the mall, and then after that I'm gonna try to catch up with a bunch of high school batchmates, and then I'm gonna have to go to a birthday party at night. So let's see how today goes. So far I have no plans on going home anymore to like change and stuff. Wearing like combination outfits that I got in the haul that I showed you. I'm gonna put a link down below of that haul if you haven't seen it. It's just this black blazer. It's a really really thin blazer, black top and then black shorts. I'm gonna be pairing it with the white shoes that I got because I wasn't able to wear this with the dress that I was planning on wearing. So yeah, that's so far the plan for today, and I like it. It's actually like really new to me. Not really, I mean it's quite new from what the usual stuff that I've been doing lately, which is just go to school, go home and gym. So yeah. White shoes and the ensemble. A lot of places here actually, so, and I'm pretty early. I just said that already, but yeah. Okay, so I'm now back in the car, just the grabbed lunch with my friend. So yeah, I'm gonna be picking up my sister now, and I think a few plans changed. I'm not gonna be meeting up my high school batchmates anymore. So let's go pick up my sister. With Andre.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
H.
I.
This one.
U.
This one.
K. L. N.
This one.
M. O. B. Q.
This one.
O.
S. This one.
B.
Wala na, distract na siya.
B.
Ano sasabihin mo, Nika?
Hi guys, we are at Tagaytay. I'm supposed to say Baguio. And we went here to get Starbucks and Bulalo.
Turbo chill.
So, guys, sigaw ako.
Maya!
Ano mga tanggal?
Dapat di ba tinanggal kasi sensitive yung ano
Ay,
yan.
sensitive sa'yo, sorry.
Morning